we're gonna unbox my new knuckle rebuild kit. This is from Sidetracked Off-Road. A guy named Morgan. He's very nice, very helpful if anybody needs. So this is the ultimate low range off-road ultimate knuckle rebuild kit, I think is what it's called. This comes with it, little pole scale, so that's very handy. Koyo, but we got some wheel bearings, spindle nuts. These did not come in this kit. It's not part of the kit. These are in addition to, but they're just a better quality. So I was recommended to get these. This comes with the giant socket you need to take the center hub nut off. Oh, and then I ordered a bunch of these drain plugs. They're all the same fit for your differentials, your transfer case, and your transmission. And they have, these things are like absolutely notorious for stripping because they're so shallow. The part that you have to grab with your socket, they just strip every single one. So these have an Allen, 10 millimeter Allen head to them, so those are a lot better. I believe these are take the place of the felts. They're like an upgraded wiper seal because the felts tend to fail and wear out. There's all kinds of stuff in here, some seals. These I think is what's leaking on mine because there's differential oil pouring out of the knuckles, which, you know, probably not supposed to happen. These I was told, and you know, clutch at your pearls if you must, but these are better than the Marlin crawler kit because they're thicker. So that's why I went with this kit. And I always do my research. I try to talk to experienced people. These are replacement studs. If mine are in good shape, I'm not even going to use them. Oh, it does come with the felts. I don't even know if I'm going to use those. Okay, so I was honestly wondering, like, why the heck do I have so many wheel bearings? But assuming these are the races for the trunnion bearings and these are the trunnion bearings. Guys, I've never done this before. I don't know my trunnion bearing from my wheel bearing, from my oil seal. It's all a mystery right now. I'm going to figure it out as we go along. I've been told to just use your same shim setup as was there and that you don't need the special tool because it's very expensive. It's like $450 on Marlin crawler, but I want to use it because I don't know when the last time this was done and if the person who did it before me used a proper shim spacing. So I still want that tool. A buddy of mine out in Paradise, California has one, and he's going to send it to me and let me use it. So we'll see. Maybe I'll still come up with the same results as what's already there, but I do want to use that tool just to make sure, even though people say you don't need it. I need it. Toyota says I need it. So, oh, and we got stickers. They always send you stickers with this kind of stuff. Okay, so if anybody comes by, just pretend like I'm working. Just to clarify, so that kit, mine was not like what you'd get off the shelf because what I wanted some things like upgraded versions of what comes in the kit, and so he opened the kit, kind of customized it, and then sent me what I wanted, and we adjusted the price accordingly. The Chromoly spindle nuts are an upgrade because the ones that come in the kit are just like a more standard. The felts, I think, are not supposed to be in that kit. I think maybe he like accidentally threw them in there. And if there's anything else that's different about it, I'll put it in the description, but I'm busy.